Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, how you doing wherever you are? Today I'm in the village, and this village has reminded me something. I want to introduce to you today. It's occasional that I do this, but nataka introduce kijana mmoja wa nguvu, a young man by the name Danlee, that is D-A-N. Ngoja kwanza, ona hizo madogia hapa, unajua hapa ni ocha baba. Ona wase wetu hapa nini ng'ombe. Manze kuna feelings zingine zinakuanga tamu sana. I don't know if you have a village manze. Ka una village. Ona agulende na bokorosa. Anyway, I want to introduce a young man by the name Danlee. I met this young man in studio, and as you know me nimse napenda sana content, and nothing moves me like content, you see. Naona watoto wetu hapo wanatoka mtoni. Hey, what a feeling maze. This is where we grew up. Hapo ndio tulitoka hadi tukafika mahali tuko maze. You know, in the village there's true love, there's real love. Hapo hakuna zile za mauongo, kama unapendwa unapendwa, kama upendwi. Now anyway, I met this young man by the name Danlee, D-A-N-L-E. Is, to me, I think he's currently the best Kisii R&B musician. I taken another young person to go recording the studio, and then this young man came in. I want to apologize. My first perception was not fair until he decided to throw the lines, manze, the punch lines. I was like, come on, this is nice. I like it. He was so excited to see me, and actually he requested that we do the track together, but I had to take my time to get to understand what kind of music he does and the like. But in his first and second lines, I said, yes, this is the right guy. And we decided to do a track together. My fans, my friends have been asking me, Echate, when are you giving us a love song? Let me tell you, this is the best love song. We put it in a context of a village, right? And, you know, I don't want to talk much. I just want you to listen to it, and I request you to kindly get into YouTube. This evening we will be releasing a lyrical video that is in Echate generation. I'm actually thinking of signing this young man into the generation Echate Entertainment, but then besides that, I want to ask you, my fans and my friends, to kindly support him. You know, check out for his YouTube account, that is D-A-N-L-E-E. Listen to one of the songs that he has done. You'll definitely agree with me that he's doing the right thing. Moso esaba naba mintaba kusi. But then tigamba onjeshe gendike gato kuangusha. Tutarusha leo, you know, on Echate generation, and then we'll be doing a video. We want to listen to your ideas. Give us ideas on how we can come up with the best video that will actually depict the true love in the village or in our villages. Skiza kidogo tu, nataka uskize kidogo, and then utaniambia.
Danlee
Ningo yogo tieme Echate.
Wakire ni manyete ncherore gocha ayo mwanchi Bosibori. Nerigo teliko lilia itoti lirigo etekane gari. Tobasa kwemicha kwa mamo yekire chiyo nerongori. Agasaiga kane kare nyabonyansi nyombe getanda nesturi. Orija matononyo no munyarenda. Wabusere risiko sabera nyomo gakogi kogenda keba.
Yeah. Kionjo tu. Let me give you the hook, and then nikupe lines za ningo yogo tie Echate japo kidogo tu, and then you will listen to the hook. Omwanjino maite tindi gosoka ebintu nkoriye tibiri gosoka nindua se pigi ingoro motoka ngoire bosongo tosibo musuka usabero nyabero kutaka muriko bakunaina mabua tebisomoni matuko makeiko bakusibine sabuni otigarero obua tobo sugudo korara nsomwanjini manyete dokorara nkaro maze tuachie hapo utamu ni mengi. So I want to request you straight away get into YouTube, search on Echate Generation and subscribe and remember to turn on the notification bell. Alafu kazi itakuwa poa. Thanks so much and God bless you.